Make sure to watch till the end for key takeaways and summary. Let's begin our learning journey. Most people envision climbing the corporate ladder as a simple, straight path upwards. Consider the progression from an entry-level employee to a manager. To further clarify this point, consider the broader implications within the field. Every successful climb starts with knowing your destination. Identifying your career goals is the first step to progression. Single quote. To further clarify this point, consider the broader implications within the field. After identifying your career goals, the next step is equipping yourself with the necessary skills. Every rung of the corporate ladder requires a different set of skills. Imagine climbing a mountain without the right gear. You'd probably struggle and might not make it to the top. To further clarify this point, consider the broader implications within the field. In the corporate world, who you know can be just as important as what you know. Building a strong network and finding mentors are key aspects of career progression. Think of networking and mentorship as acquiring a map and compass for your mountain climb. They'll guide your path and help you avoid pitfalls. To further clarify this point, consider the broader implications within the field. Continuous learning is the engine that drives career progression. By consistently updating your skills and knowledge, you stay relevant and valuable in your field. It's like a climber who trains regularly to stay fit, ensuring they're ready for any new challenges during their climb. To further clarify this point, consider the broader implications within the field. Effective communication is crucial in the corporate world. Imagine a climber who can't communicate with their team. It would be difficult to coordinate and achieve their goals. To further clarify this point, consider the broader implications within the field. As you ascend the corporate ladder, you'll inevitably encounter office politics. It involves understanding the power dynamics within the company and building alliances. It's like dealing with the unpredictable weather conditions on a mountain climb. You need to adapt and strategize to succeed. To further clarify this point, consider the broader implications within the field. While climbing the corporate ladder, it's essential to maintain work-life balance to avoid burnout. Consider a climber who takes breaks to rest and brings unique equipment to tackle the mountain. That's akin to maintaining work-life balance and personal branding. To further clarify this point, consider the broader implications within the field. Remember, your journey up the corporate ladder is unique to you. Climb your mountain at your pace, and remember, the view at the top is worth every step taken. To further clarify this point, consider the broader implications within the field. Thank you for watching. We've covered the fundamental concepts. You now have a solid understanding of the topic. Remember to practice what you've learned to reinforce your understanding. Don't forget to review the material if you need clarification on any points. If you found this video helpful, thanks for learning with us.